A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Thumbs up this video. Get this video to 3,000 like. Leave a comment and make a get straight into this. Alright, so on the phone we're gonna have a brother named D. D is gonna share his experience. Why he ran off in America. Zane, and the struggles that he faces as a young youth in America on the street and how he have to survive until he met somebody and them get married. And right now, life is not 100%, but it's much better, and him have a message for a lot of persons who plan to take this route and young guys who have foreign mind and all of them things there. Boy, everybody who get a chance now the Big Apple have a story though. And I no butter and I no puss mouth or nothing like that. But anyway guys, may I talk too much? We could drive and listen.
Alright, Mr. D. Alright, so you reach out and you want to share one story. What the story there about?
Yeah, me I run off from yard and I come off foreign as a young youth. I try look a better life, brother. You see me?
Alright. When they say run off, like, what go off foreign, like, one visa and run off?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
A long time, for me a baby. For me a baby, a 2-10 years, you know.
2-10 years. So you travel a long time? Okay.
Yeah, man, for me a 3, me a travel, man.
Granted, you know the system. See how much now, my boss?
Yeah, 29 now, man.
29. Oh, you're still young, man. Granted.
Yeah. We run off for 22.
You run off 22. Okay, so how it started now with the whole situation leading up to now?
Alright, so when me at 22, that at 2016, June 4, I say me have a run off car. Me did come up 2014, I come back and then now I'm 20, 19, 20, and you don't know you just left school because me have 10 subjects, you know, the lower 6 and them things, but as me tell me I go foreign for me young. So I kind of, all of my family, them they are foreign, so I kind of, every time when someone come see a better life, I see difference. Me I say, yeah, now go on a Jamaica, I don't work, I have to work a call center. That now make it up when I crash one little car and owe one man 300,000 for a B13. I say, but my big mommy and daddy, they now no money.
Right.
So 2 years, I just say, I live off and boy, I left Jamaica with $0 in my pocket, my G. Come and find they are foreign, me and family, I bounce around, get a little work, I do the right thing. For me at 22, brother, me I look man for married, can't find nobody. Motor, as a face boy, I look at you, I say, you're young and fresh. Most can't get a woman, brother. You get what me I say? Can't get no woman, can't get no woman, can't get no woman. Motor, woman, my link. You see what me I say? Boom, I married somebody and get a work permit.
So if somebody not married or what? Big woman or young?
No, I'm not married yet, you know. Me just there, look, a grind. Nothing come through because I'm young. So me I looking at my age group and as me I get knowledgeable about people's thing, brother. Young girl, them that I know work, they not file a tax. Then I know for you and them come together for sure. Now. You see me, brother?
Okay.
So right away that I make me know say, me need to forget a big woman as a young youth. You see what me I say?
Big woman, okay. Yeah.
Then me not really favor that because me young, me forget somebody older that. Me not like that.
You're not getting a youth yet?
No.
Oh, so yeah.
Boom. Yeah, so boom now me I make link connection. I say even me I try buy something. I tell her say my auntie did married and have a lawyer link on African very brother. And them show me a pray. I say boy African have a connection 20 grand. I say yeah, 20 grand US. So me I do my little thing. Him say bring 10 front and then as the paperwork I go through and you do biometric, you give him 5 and then when it done you give him the next 5. Me I say that no bad. Brother, me bring the 10 grand go up there, go give liar, brother. Me have me everything, brother. And him say me go get paperwork, but through me is a Jamaican and we love run errands. I'll do a foreign me there. Me still I say, it probably can't work.
Right.
You never know who might have a connection. You have to in the rights.
You have to gamble.
Yeah, so me gamble for my 10 grand and my mother and my granny I say, don't do it. I mean, at the moment I try something, you know, brother. Man said within 3 months, me forget biometrics. I said, no, me can't get no biometrics.
So that
3 months, I call the man, me can't get nothing.
That a fan when now?
That's about 2019, 3 years me there. Come there for 16, 3 years later.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay.
Me I look, me now get through.
Right. So in Kenya then, in Kenya?
Yeah, man, the man, I take my 10 grand, man, and run off for me, man.
Because when you talk and say African, you know, I start shake me head and say, ratted. Your auntie want a lick in her head. Because she forgot to tell you
Yeah,
about.
but she get robbed too, you know. And she don't know, car, brother, the system, brother, when you don't know the system, you know, brother. She get work permit because she didn't marry that man.
Mm-hmm.
The man run off on her, but the man trick her and put in the paperwork for she get work documents. But for she get the green card, they want more evidence and them thing that. So she not get nothing. So when she get the work permit, she think she have a connection and bring me on it.
Oh, she moved too
And
fast.
me get, yes, and me get jam, she get jam, my vex.
Mm-hmm.
So me deal with her, me just low and come here and say, boy, I'm link with my auntie, I know work out, but I want to link with nobody else.
Yeah, kind of give up now.
Yeah. But me that youth, me there far. I do good for myself. Me have 2 vehicles, me I do my thing. Me I do my thing, cause me there, and as me is an educated youth, and them time that I could get a license in New York when them just come with the thing where immigrant can get like, I forgot Connecticut.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on I drive and I say, when me get vehicle and them thing. Me I do my thing, me I work, me I keep my costs a living low.
Right.
Me did back to square one again. Me mash up for 6-12 months, cause I can't believe as a young youth, me lose 10 grand. Equivalent $1 million job, because I never see $1 million yard yet.
Yeah.
So, it cheap me down, me de. Brother, when Clubhouse come out, my brethren them invite me on Clubhouse.
Mm-hmm.
Me that a girl before, but she have a green card. I'm tell her she said she that help me.
Mm-hmm.
I meet family, everybody, and them like me and think, brother. But brother, me there about 4.5 ago, 5 years now, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Me not see my mother, father. Me just need somebody who have a citizenship. When you know say you have citizenship, I got more and go through the door, brother. Me can't even wait.
Mm-hmm.
Me not brother. So, me and the girl a link. Me end up there for her, man, brother, cause she moved too slow and don't come over. And me have to gas her mother and say, boy, I need you have to bill her up in my G. Bill her.
Mm-hmm.
Bill her up, man. Me I try she not listen. But left then, me dip on Clubhouse. I'm a meet a girl, brother.
So the Clubhouse hour? The Clubhouse hour? One
Man, you know Clubhouse app.
Oh, Clubhouse app? Is a dating app? Oh, have an app name?
Dating app, you know, is a talking app when COVID did come, people gone pan it and Ray and that.
Okay.
That new app, man, brother.
Yeah.
Me did pan it more while I freestyle, me now nothing for do me, I look out and my eye them.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, one girl bring me in our room. I tell me she like me, I think I'm here. She like me. I say, all right then, this look good.
Mm-hmm.
So me start. I check her out now, because I get to understand. I say, how long you there and them something? You get what me I say?
Mm-hmm.
She there 10 years, I think. I say, all right, 10 years, she must have her citizenship. Because, brother, we're not under citizenship.
Yeah, you just scrutinize everybody to see what they have.
Yeah, me give out that I know which bar me stand.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right then, me and her get to know each other. She have a daughter, she live with her mother, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
She a try, and every man she meet, it no work out, and this and that, and man bring her down, and man mess up her credit, all type of thing. Me I say, I know it's a big project, this is my brother.
Mm-hmm.
Big project, but you have the paperwork we need.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say, all right then, you gotta take up the assignment here and try work on it. Because when I tell you, brother, she look me, me never look in her lane, me never look. So you see what me I say, brother?
Right.
But me have to do what me have to do.
Yeah, because you want to straighten out yourself.
Yes, brother, I take her up now. She give me a good energy in the start, brother. She give me a strong energy. Because her mother tell her, she no married me, brother. And within 6 months, me and the girl married,
So which nationality? She a Jamaican? Jamaican American? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So within 6 months, she married me, and me I say, me I run with this.
Yeah.
But me have boy, brother. So she I say, I be a woman thing at the pond and them thing there. Me I say.
So how old was she at the time? She had to do much?
My wife, she had the boat 34.
Oh.
And me at 27.
27. Right, not bad, not somebody.
So, yeah, so on the age, everything fair towards the black and white.
Right.
This is the perfect thing, and she give me a good energy and I jump.
Right.
Brother, me not ask no for her, brother. I pay for the lawyer. I pay for me get arrested twice too when me there, and brother I try. Do something, come here and make money, I start drive vehicle. I never license at the time. And me get messed up, and then me end up get license. So, I said me never paperwork. I said I pay a lawyer, good lawyer, and it was expensive, 2,500. I'm saying, but I come the interview too. Okay. Which she had know the lawyer and tell me about him because she do look at office work, so she had to like tax thing with him.
Oh, so even though you married her, on the way there, sorry, she did don't have an idea say you know straight, so she in her head she help you to straighten out herself to them, basically. As her husband.
She help me to straighten out myself because she see I'm ambitious too, you know.
Right.
So she look at catch just like me, I look at catching her brother.
All right.
And people say she a go through her thing and every man she go against her down. I go through my things, so I tell her that say boy, me and you there I go through it, you know, you I look a better life and me I look a better life. Me will come together and try a thing.
Right.
And, all right, then. So me go in and me just deal with her stuff and me not ask her for nothing and me not try overpower the thing. You see me, cause me I done a hustle already and I do my local jump around. So me not beg her no, and she have a kid and me just fit in and do the right thing, you see me? But still roadblocks, brother, because you see when it comes to the black and white, brother, it get them paranoid, you know, want her, remember, she look me, you know.
So hold on, when I say black and white, she
it come to green card, brother, we just say black and white.
Okay.
When it come to green card, it make the marriage complicated, because sometimes they're flying all over the place, you know?
Oh, yeah, because them I wonder if you're going to marry them, run off. Or is that just game? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Me and I catch up in a big argument more while in a brother and me just fall back. Big argument more while shall I rush my brother and I, you see me? But when me and I married from the jump, me and I married in a 2021 August. Me meet her 2021 February. Me meet her about this December, the end of December. And me and her, I go on good February, me and her confirm it, say, yo, it firm, me and you. And by August, me and her married, brother.
Oh.
What that? Month February, March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months, me and her married. Because I say, yo, I want to rush it. And then me tell her, I said, by 2023, January, I want to put in the papers. 4 months, 3 months. Everybody say, do it 3 months after you married, they put it in. 3 months after. Put it in. She moved it me and I look but me fall back, brother. They say, my mother said, when you're on in a lion more, what you do?
Take it out.
So me easy back. Let me look a cousin here and there, easy back, do the right thing. When me and I married August, brother, October, me and I move in together. Because I do the right thing, you know, because I'm there 4.5 years, I'm not done, so I start read up. Say, come with me together.
Right.
Get a lead. Get the bills them together, get everything. You see, I'm married, brother, and thing. Where I'm putting the paperwork January 2023. 2020, I'm married 2021. I'm putting the paperwork 2022. By summer, I get work permit, brother. Feel now, I feel good. Everything I feel, you know?
Right.
Me and I argue, you know, brother, and this and that, you know. I fall in a light, me and my family. I say, me and I argue too much, them dip on that and and te. You see me? So, me tell you all the time, I tell you, say, me nah make nobody.
So, I want to argue about what caused the argument in the also?
Yeah, I think at this boy, think you look nice and yeah, you get and sitting there, brother. You know, woman insecurity, man, brother, man.
Okay.
I told man, brother, me is not a lovely romantic man, you know. Me is just a hard-working, driven man who just do the right thing.
So you're kind of a hardcore Jamaican man where dumb to earth, where just move with the flow. And she is the type of person where emotional.
I buy flowers and this and that, but I love birthday, get her thing here. But woman like man where
Romantic.
Start up and romantic. I mean, I really have that guy. We Jamaican man, we grow tough, you know, brother. We didn't even grow for sure love like that. Say, we don't grow like a Yankee man. Most of them more grow with love.
Most of we
brother,
still,
man.
because me grow with love, you know. So, you have other man grow with love too. But as you say, you're a town man, and it depends on the household where you come out of. So, you have Jamaican man romantic too, but majority of man are the Yankee one.
No. So, me end up fall under that time. I don't fall, but me compliment it in a other thing when I work. Me never beg her a dollar yet. Me contribute to you want me for doing them thing there. But she said that I'm my biggest downfall. So, more while, me nah do that for make you feel love. She just trip off on me, brother. You see me?
Oh, she had search for love. Okay.
Yes, and she just trip off on me. So,
Nah, feel it. Yeah.
For all it. But the greatest thing is that she helped me. And when I show her, say, brother, me also, when I get my work permit, I go work at UPS. You see me? Time there, I work at UPS, I never get through in 2022 there. I work there in the holiday go to 2020, January 2023. I still have my work permit. I never get my 2-year green card till 2023 summer.
Right.
And when I get the card now, I go to trucking. Start drive truck now. So she said, I'm ambitious and I do my thing and I now hold back. Right. And I just stay there with her, same way, brother. I not left hand, I just hanging, brother, because it's tough, you know, brother. I'm young, you know, bro. I'm going to come and find at 22, you know, brother. It's like a gallus thing and them thing there. I'm going to come and find, I realize that can't work, you know. Right. And I have to leg out all of them things there and just turn a man, you know. Right. All night, while, brother, when I get my work permit, brother, my father drop out, brother, up on the ground, bro.
Oh.
Jamaica now, me have my work permit and my travel document, you know, but the thing is that I get arrested 2 times.
Oh.
I don't want to go through
immigration. You don't go through immigration. You don't go through immigration. Oh. Okay.
So, if I never get arrested, me that forward in because I'm clean. Them really trouble me. But you see, because you get arrested, brother, problem, I can't come on my old man funeral, brother. I want to out of my eye, bro.
You have to get a green card. Yeah, they're on the safe side.
I look a better life, you know, my G.
Okay.
I'm a family, I'm a father, drop out, you know, my G. I'm a day now, foreign, you know, brother. And I go through all type of struggles, you know, till I book this girl, I know. Till she book me, brother. Right. You see me? Till she book me and help me out, brother. Up to now, I still have my 2 years. I'm a day up on the road. But left her the yard now until I say, my girl, I look better now. I say, if you want me and you for work and everything, me have to go out there and turn myself in a man. But I can give you back a strength. You see what I say, bro?
Right.
So now, like, me had the truck, I go up on the road for like 3 months. Then I come home for a week and a half. Then I go back for another 3 months. And then come in. So I think kind of structure right now.
So all the relationship with you now?
The relationship still up and down because she's still insecure, brother. But I don't bother overboard her insecurity. When she just tackle up more, while, yo, you know, rate me, you know, this and, yeah, but I say, I just tell her, I say, yo, me and you know. You see me? They and everything.
So honestly speaking, you say, all right, I'll ask you some question now. So you have a 2-year green card now.
Yeah.
So after the 2 year, I think you know get the 10 year. So you go?
Yeah, 5 feet, 10 years. So me and I just taxes 2023. So me I'll get my 10 year next year.
Next year.
So everything good and good with where me stand right now because I have evidence and everything.
All right.
You see me?
Christian, honestly speaking right now, even though we're going up on the air and thing, you see yourself staying with this lady, or you just, after you get the whatever card, you lift up? What do you think, as a man?
Jenna, sometimes you argue, me nah lift up, brother. Me I roll till the wheel fall off, brother. You see me? Me nah. Brother,
I really told man say my roll till the wheel fall off.
Yeah, man, brother, more why she argue with me, brother. Last night, me and I argue. Because me is a man. Brother, when you come and find and deal with green card thing, brother, it make you not love you. Paranoid.
Yeah. True.
Woman, brother, when you finally meet one, you come like it hard for yourself up.
Okay.
You see, same way she feel how man deal with she, I same with them feel to come and deal with love and I try to deal with betterment and find a woman. I may have to go through all type of ring of rosy. You see me, brother?
Okay.
So but me nah leave because me go through a storm and more while me tell her I said I can't leave right now because you see the fact me and her do the taxes and me and her live together up to this and that and me can get a lawyer and leave and get me 10 year or whatever. But me don't want to go through that ring of rosy either, brother. Me just want to get me 10 year, get me sit and we just want to go and roll with her, brother, and just hold the pressure if she ready. You see me?
Yeah, so it's not about you go just get it and then dump her just like that and gone and nothing like that. Just a check.
No, brother, me no want dump her, brother. Me nah, cause
yeah. You know, say, let me tell you this as a man, you know, say 6-7 years ago you that thought different. You see by talking to you develop maturity. Me listen to your story and you mature and you grow into a responsible man. So certain things you used to do when you're 22, 23, your mindset change. You deal with the thing like a militant man now in a foreign. And that may I get from you as a young youth.
Yeah, man, brother, I grew up. I grew and that's why I listen to your story, them and I listen to youth who go Canada. Him never want to get. What's your name is MRG, run back, brother. It mad up like my G.
Yeah.
And then I walk in, brother, your girl is a yard and them thing, they come and find that thing shit down in my G.
Different culture.
Different brother.
Different culture.
Yeah, so I grew up tremendously. I'm proud of myself. I'm say, boy, I want make you know and share it on the ear, brother. Cause, brother, we are go through it and you have to hold it. I mean, I tell you, say, my thing, I'll do, me get my thing and it not depend on the heights way.
Yeah, I understand.
It down, but a mutual respect and we there are roll and we are try achieve something. Now when I tell you, as in you say, I grew up, brother, I realize that Barbie them, bro, you can't talk with them, the Barbie them bank account shallow. Them even have a job where you and them can go and go to the bank and do this. Then even have a stable job for 3-4 years.
They don't work. They don't work. They want man mind them.
Yeah, so sometimes when you book a woman and she has struggle, brother.
Yeah.
And she have a work for even 3-4 years, can show your bank so she have work. All she needs is a little brush off for a year and a half and look good in her bank account and you and her can do something. Because at this point, me had the truck in and me I try to get my thing together for have a house. And me say, I'm going to buy a house, brother. And I don't put my mind, say, I'm going to buy it together with her and anything happen. I know say I just my pay back that. You see me?
Yeah.
So if it's left, me no care about that. Me just move forward. Because I'm a youth, me a giant, brother. Nothing can hold me down.
Right, me realize.
But me want to get back a paper in a way. She want to open and me I say, here, all right, we're going to put it together and make it happen now. Me have my paperwork, you have paperwork. The thing's strong. You see me, brother?
Right. So what about children? Do you have to look forward to have kids with her or what? Or, you know?
She have one children, you know. So she have one children, you know.
No,
and me and her children.
Come again? You trip out a while ago.
Oh, she have a daughter.
Yeah, you tell me that. Me talk about you going forward with that.
Me at 29, brother. And I find this and me know for I'm there 8 years ago, 10. I don't want the children until me get my house. I tell her, I say, if we get a house, then we can talk about children. So I tell her, I say, if my wife now and she say she Irish and this and that. I tell her, I say, my girl, yeah, they are struggling. I try to make things up. Now you have a daughter. We are telling about children and we can't even manage a daughter properly. And the finance and everything, we are trying to make it happen.
Oh, I get what you say.
House,
yeah.
Me not ready yet. So more why she trip off board that.
Yeah, she got thing. Yeah, she got chip off because she say you're not married and she want a child with you. If you know.
Yeah, but I find this brother. Then look at that. They are Jamaican talk. Married not mean no. You have place to put picnic and daycare and me a road me there, brother. So me a them thing that me a think boy, brother. Me can't slow. I think right now.
Slow,
if you get the out, and you can't do one 30 hours a week, one part-time, so you can bring in a little dividends and manage your kids and me go road and bring in what me I bring in. You see what me I say, brother?
Okay.
No, we in a better standing, but we can't in an apartment and things set away, brother.
Yeah. Me understand your family values. You want a house and structure. I have your youth them. I know say
brother, cause we have car, you know, brother. Me have car and she have car. My car park up now, cause me I drive a truck.
Where say
she
she how
have
much
her
now?
own
How much she 30 how much I say? I'm slip me out.
36.
36.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Me understand what she say, but you know idea. Yeah, and you treat the pitney like a face said way, so nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
man, I'm glad say, brother, one while when I listen, I think my own tough, brother, but I'm glad I want that daughter and I want son to me and I'm in a deal there now with your birthday. Cause the father, she a single mother, you know. For me and I married the father, never yet come around, say, me kind of, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
And those two of me are the same way, brother, I make the thing work, brother. And you see what I say?
Right.
And when me just hear with the people, them say, brother, the moral of the thing, you know, bro, is that we make up a bed, you know, brother. We have to lay a night, you know. Some man make up them bed, brother, and I jump up, brother. You can't do that.
Okay.
You can't do that, brother. Cause if me, brother, when me run off, you know, mix up boss. Me tell my cousin, brother, I'm telling me I'm a subject them for day one. My cousin have our subject them to, you know what she do? She go UE and she come up summertime, she go back down 3-4 times. The man them take her a visa. She there yard and mad out.
What? Don't take her a visa through that?
Yeah, she there at UE, but she never get none of work and travel card. She have visa already, so she come up and she does freestyle and do look work and she come 3 times and them just clamp her.
Yeah, man, that too suspicious.
Every other year she come up summertime, I mean, like every summer she come up.
Every summer. Oh, it look like something. I don't know. They must find out or
And
something.
them like this a pattern, man. Go back a yard, man. You see me?
Oh, wow.
A friend with brother, with them think that no man no want step up to the plate, brother. I mean, I only youth for my block. More my mother still there Jamaica, you know, brother. And I deal with that official and send her a thing every month, you know, brother. And she tell me, my son, everything good you do, good in our life, you. Just go and do your thing. Every man, when me look on, brother, that same square one me left them, brother, and 12 years later, me still a struggle and I make a little stride, brother. Every man depend square one, same way, bro.
In a foreign there?
In a foreign, in a yard, brother, no man now step up to the thing. When the man them done make up a mind, so we are run come in our place. Man get cold feet, brother. Okay. Brother, more while, brother, me I do construction work and help on the construction site. I sleep when my boss them gone home. I tell them, say, yo, me secure the place and just board up a little room that they are more while me there. More while in a building a sheet 20 floor. I'm there on all the 5th floor now I look at tools room. And the place I shit me have here, I say, blood clear, which man I come into that.
Yeah. Wow.
But me not catch cold feet, brother. I'm dip on it, see with your brother. 2 job me all I do, brother. Me get my local vehicle, me I do all delivery work. Left construction, like a pizza shop there on the corner. I say, oh no, nobody for run out some pizza. The man said, yo, come weekend. Yeah. So you know, say me I bring you 6 bills for the construction, $100 a day, I want bills 50 a day. Me get an extra 3 bills right this $1,000 that a week. Me I live like a mission. You see me?
Yeah. It's a hustler, man. But you see the difference with foreign and Jamaica. Over there, so you can sit down at Jamaica and go and just wait for a little hustler or go link a shop man or link your neighbor or your friend. You have to dip on the grind right through when you go over there.
Yeah, man, brother, for my left, brother, I never work so hard. I think when I do a call center, I work hard. Yo, amount of work, I find about 10 different
job.
That's a job thing I go through, brother. Thing, bro.
Before you settle in a truck thing.
Yeah, about 10 different titles, me have, brother. Brother, also, you'll see me, I chip down some wall, brother, for all the bills 50, brother. Yeah, I said, what you mean, brother, man? Construction site, me I work on in a brother. I say everybody will come in. Me I make link, brother. I get an opportunity for going to union and big job, man. Cause man like how me I move militant. And me can't, no papers. Me can't even.
Oh, the papers mess you. If you did have the papers back then, you'd have reached far then with them work.
Yeah,
and
man,
something.
brother. Me I do good, man, brother. 2-3 weeks. Me having a foreign Benz, Beamer and anything there, brother. Me live on my first when I come, I live on my grandmother for 12 months and I will live on the couch and them thing that I just get her 2 bills every month.
Alright, you see what you say though? Stick up in. You live with your grandmother and you get her 2 bills every month. You see different today on the youth with Miss Emma. Instead all of your money and save it.
He have subject and thing, but him not the youth militant the right way, brother. Because from me down my granny, me I come from me a tree, so I don't know a road code. So I just get 2 bills every month for 12 months. Them.
Right.
That I go there Brooklyn.
Right.
I move, go to Bronx. I'm going to live on my auntie have a house. I'm going in her basement. I'm going to give my auntie $5 a week for a nice room in her basement and the stuff about till I meet my wife.
Right,
so me I
right,
left from town, go straight to Linstead, because me live me that work at Brooklyn, which
Right.
was closer to grandmother, but through the living condition, I have to go far where I can get a cheap room, which is still with my family. I'm a travel go to work.
Right.
So the distance is like town to Linstead, me I have to do every day. So I so come and start sleep on the site. So I'm go there Monday, when I left my yard Sunday, Monday morning, I go there Monday, and then I go home Wednesday, sleep there. Monday night, Tuesday night, I'm go home Wednesday, fresh up, clean up, I'm come back out and sleep there. Wednesday night, Thursday, I'm sleep because I'm go home Wednesday night. So I'm sleep there Thursday night and Friday now, but go back home for the weekend now. I'm an auntie cook and she do a little thing that you feel happy. Me I give her $5 and thing. You see what me I say? And me I live like a mish, my good car, me I hustle. So me never broke yet. Me always have money, brother.
Okay.
Always. Me no make my thing them get played out. When I go around people, me no beg them and thing them, brother. Because me no want them kick me off I shit my G.
Right,
You see me?
right.
So me just sweet up the thing.
Yeah, man.
So me, brother, it rough, but me dead in a ball game and I hold it, brother. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm want to tell you them, brother. I say, want to come on the ball game, brother, and come on the back of field, bro. Don't tell on yourself so now go back, brother. It's hard I know, you know, brother. God, the economy. Me never used to know about these stuff, but since I started trucking, I can see economy, brother. Because when you work at one local store, brother, you not deal with money, you not deal with nothing. You just get a look up here when Friday comes. So you don't know if the boss I make money, how the business I go. I do trucking, I run a local trucking business and I have a one truck. So if me I make money, I can see say the economy good. If me not make no money, the economy down. You see?
Okay.
So, a man have to know, say, brother, don't jump off a back of field. If you find something, hold it. If you have to sleep in a train, go shelter, go in a subway, hold it and walk around and look work in a restaurant and them things there and wash some pot. Brother, enough, I go
Okay.
to my uncle restaurant and I have to go there more while I go wash all pot. You see me? And everything we can talk, brother, as you say.
Yeah, man.
But me just come on, look at me, brother. 6 years before me get my papers and my father drop out, youth. Me not see my father. That means a man is a family orientated man. Father and mother, my father upon him sick bed. And my mother go back to hospital and she go there every day because I send her like a 2 bills every week and she buy like a fruits and thing. And she go there and send a picture and say, yo, watch it. She come to hospital and my father mouth open, man, drop out.
Oh, sorry, man. My condolences. Sorry about hear about that.
Yeah, man, brother, my father drop out and me not stop working, brother. Please, me can't even stop work. Me not on a pay for just get work permits. I mean, on a time off. Me not on nothing. And when they tell me how much money for bury people I had, I 7,000 US me have to send them in, brother. So, me as a man, me feel a way about everything, but me feel good.
Your family understand, man. You know, your family understand the struggles. I know, say, that's how you go. It's situation you're in. So, the greatest thing, you help out and you give him a good send off, and that is it, bro. You see?
And watch out, I show you something. You see, I see him cousin when I just tell about for your father drop out and then could bury me,
That's what I talk about? Alright.
For your father drop out.
So, what's for your position now? She's still not straight in her foreign. She's still.
No, she not there. She there yard.
Oh, she there yard. Oh, well on there. The cousin where you did that talk about. Zin?
Yes.
As she yesterday didn't take back her visa.
Yeah.
Oh, me I follow up his story because when you say you have one cousin, me never pick up say she. Oh, that are the one that did say she carry the link where you did. No, she yesterday did her foreign. Which one of them? Me no want to mix up.
She come back and forth and remember me tell her say them take her I think she don't want to come off. She want to pan hot girl thing at Jamaica.
Oh.
That they come every summer she go you and I buy up her clothes them and a muggle. So them just clamp her.
Oh.
But me never go that road because I could have go you and you take. But me say, yo, foreign more I go set me think me get realize when you come foreign between 20 to 25, it's hard. But it better start for you because by the time you get the paperwork, you're still young and fresh, can do life.
Okay.
When you come as 35, 40, brother, trouble in a brother, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, when you come younger, it's hard because you can't find a woman to start you because you're young. But by the time you settle in and understand the road code and the system and meet somebody, you know how to move and maneuver. And young, you're quick to adapt to the changes of the environment.
So a 50-year-old, a man of 50, I go up to 50, and him have a better chance to get a woman then, to settle.
He have a better chance to get a woman, but him already broke bad in a Jamaica where oil live and technology. Brother, remember foreign technology this, you know, brother. You go certain place, have use your phone and email and that. A man at 50, him going to start to argue with that woman. Me don't want to do this and that. You understand, brother? Brother, real talk, man, me dream, man. Me nah.
As somebody do it at Jamaica, where tell me say, where show me say. You get the answer.
My father, you couldn't tell him nothing.
That's how my father
Like, even when the COVID happened, at the DMV and the tax place them, you couldn't go there and walk in no more. You have to make appointment on phone and then sitting there, brother. So more people, if you don't have a family, it will frustrate you.
Right.
You have to make email address and all of that. But when you're young and change to any surrounding, you add that much better.
Much better, okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
I'm a G, man. Just everything, man. I'm a love a program, man.
Yeah, man. I never know, so I have them young people that watch me. I always say I be bigger heads and older people, but, you know.
No, man. I love a program, man. And I just don't want nobody give up, brother. Cause I was there, brother. I tell you, say, look at my thing I go through. I lose 10,000 West. I lose my father. Come like me lose all my moral and I place, brother.
Right.
And all of that, bro.
Right.
But me no make it bother me. Now me have me 2 years and up to now me no come here that, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Me I try.
You tell you get to 10 years, man. You just boom bang.
Yes, me, and that one, I mean, I wait for structure myself, brother. Can't find it.
Yeah, you know, if you come out here more than come look for your family, laugh, gone. Yeah, that is good. You can call them on video and make sure them alright. And you go on good. I'm proud of you for your young youth, you know. You structure your thing good and I see better days are come for you. So,
yeah,
you don't
I'm
know.
a house I put more to a quad him did have.
Okay.
And I own this. And for me, I feel happy with myself, cause before him jump out, I start put extension on the quad. I make 2-bedroom and them thing there, brother. About 30,000 I spend already, you know, brother.
Yeah.
So I feel good as a young youth.
You go good, man. You have ambition, man.
I fix up the quad, paint it up. I'll send you 2 pictures, make you see when you can make the video, you can see.
Okay.
The thing, brother.
Okay.
You see me?
I'm going to tell you as a man, the girl we get the link, no, you don't say you're not this her still, but not this her, you know what I'm saying? Just go and ride out with her and till you see I not tell her say if she not treat her good if you left her now. You know if you left her now, but it's true she was the one who helped you. But you say, calm brother, calm you take people away where you use people. Now use nobody, brother, I can't tell her. Just deal with that militant and go and work with her, yeah? You know?
Me not leave brother as I'm tell.
Yeah, you tell me already.
One problem I have with her is verbal argument. Here and there, round the way. You see what I say?
Right. True.
But me get for overcome that as in growing and being a man.
Right.
God thing. For try to throw me off, brother, I get for realize that okay, I try to throw me off because I put me through a test. But me now left without this document here. So if you want when me get through and everything still throw me off and see me go on good, me no want to bother my conscience.
Right.
God throw me off.
True.
You see me?
Same
So me don't tell that already, you know, until I say, but they are roll with you, you know. So if you want me because you're dirty ways, you mess up everything, do what you are do. Because me not left, but they are hanging and I do the right thing.
That is
you see me?
Alright, my boss.
Far straight, brother. You see me? Me not go round now. You see me?
Alright, I say 40 man, I get enough out of this because this is 38 minutes. I can chat out the next one turn in a 40. That's how you go. But big up yourself, man, and all the best, man. Mr.
Yeah,
D.
man, me G up, man. And I mean, I send you 2 pictures, man, so you can put in a slide thing in your top.
Oh, yeah, man, you can send me them now. I have them.
Alright, respect. Big up the program, Ali.
Alright, big up, my G. All the best. Yeah. Wow. When you hear that, guys? This is a young man and I reach 30 yet now. Ah, boy. I'm on this be a message, you know, for our youth. Where they are Jamaica, we're telling themselves, so I want listen. as everybody say, we not tell nobody say no go there, but you know, on a better roads, sometimes when I run off and I don't feel better, I feel worse. You go through all type of struggles. You understand? So when you see people over foreign do their thing, no grudge them. 'Cause everybody have a story. Like and share, guys, and comment. Big up on yourself. Like the video. This was a good one. I wish him all the best, him and the lady. Who God bless, no man curse. I'm gone.
Yeah, guys, remember the merge. Wanna support me. Alright, the shirt them I sell like hot bread. Yeah. Alright, see the yellow them, eh? Big up on yourself. Thanks. I'm gone. Place your order. Just call my number for now. 277-3254. I'm gone. Peace.